In 1793, France is a mess. King Louis XVI gets dragged to the guillotine. Talk about tense. The guillotine drops. Chomp. The king's head rolls. Paris crowd cheers like it's a ball game. Think being king's fun? Queen Marie Antoinette, with her giant wig, hits the guillotine. Crowd yells, "No more eating cake for her." The revolution eats itself. Reign of Terror explodes. Paris drowns in blood. Everyone's suspicious of each other. The radical Jacobins, led by stone-faced Robespierre, take over. He thinks the guillotine solves everything. Cough at the wrong time. Guillotine! Started too long? Guillotine! Would you dare cough near Robespierre? Tens of thousands lose their heads. Even hero Jean-Paul Marat, stabbed in his bathtub. Shocking, right? Marat, eyes popping like a fish, gets stabbed by blonde Charlotte Corday. Even baths aren't safe. What's your take? Paris is paranoid. Nobody trusts anyone. Fishmonger Charlotte glass at neighbors. One wrong word means instant death. Kids learn to stay quiet. Too scared to speak. Would you open your mouth in Paris back then? Dangerous. Robespierre, with his bright red scarf, orders endless executions. The guillotine sings opera. Blood floods. Paris Square. Robespierre's buddies are fed up, shouting, "Enough. Pal, we can't take it." The guillotines gotta stop now. Robespierre gets dragged to the guillotine. Face bella stale bread. Ironic, the guillotine lover falls. After 10 years of chaos, blood everywhere. France is exhausted. People sigh, hoping for peace at last. The Republic is born. No more king. People wave freedom flags, hoping for a calmer future. But hold up. Short guy with a giant hat, Napoleon Bonaparte, struts out. Eyes sharp as knives. Napoleon's famous across Europe. Military genius. Want to join his army? Come on. Move it. He declares, France will be a mighty empire. Parisians gape, thinking, more chaos coming? Napoleon leads troops against Austria. Prussia, lightning fast. Is he a hero or a huge troublemaker? The French Revolution teaches us, when people are pushed to the edge, they rise, strong as a tsunami. Nothing stops the people, but big change comes with blood. Tears, pretty heartbreaking. Don't you think? You're Charlotte. Paris fishmonger. Would you grab a knife and fight, or just watch? Pick one. The revolution changes France forever. Ideas of freedom, equality, fraternity spread across Europe. Freedom's ideas echo. Inspiring Germany. Italy. Think Vietnam picked up anything from this? The revolution shows the crazy power of united people. Nobody can stop them. Pretty cool. Who? Absolute monarchy's dangerous. Louis XVI's, the proof? Isn't that ironic? For real, ditching feudalism's a huge deal, wiping out noble privileges that lasted centuries. Epic, right? The Third Estate, fishmongers, tailors lead the charge, demanding their rightful share. They want fairness, not to be subjects. Would you join as Charlotte the fishmonger? Decide. Nationalism explodes. People proud to be French. No longer king's subjects. A new mindset. They're citizens of a nation, not just subjects. Isn't that awesome? A massive shift. But violence spirals. Beautiful ideals turn to oppression. Scary stuff. What's your take? The reign of terrors. The example, guillotine never stops. People live in constant fear. Personal freedom gets crushed. Would you want to live back then? No way. Right. When profanity, when the revolution goes too far, it destroys itself. A lesson on extremism. Got it? The French Revolution's a historic milestone, shaping Europe, influencing global political ideas. It inspires revolutions worldwide. Think Vietnam was influenced by it? Take a guess. In Russia, hungry crowds glare at their czar. Another revolution brewing, can you guess? History repeats itself, just with different players. Places. Who's lighting the next fuse? From gritty streets to palaces, every choice has a cost. Do you see it? The Bastille falls. A fortress turned to rubble. The power of united people. Awesome. Who? The people's power, when awakened, is unstoppable. Never underestimate them. Got that? The ignorance of rulers leads to disaster. Louis XVI's a prime example. People starve. Bread's pricey. They revolt. Could you handle waiting in line for bread? Napoleon, giant hat hiding his face, turns France into an empire, but wars drag on. Tired yet? Charlotte Corday, blonde hair, stabs Marat. Think baths are safe? Pretty dangerous. Robespierre loves the guillotine, but these by it. Ironic. Don't you find it funny? The revolution teaches, united people are like a tsunami, but extremism can destroy everything.